Okay, so it's not going to be a scientific test as such. I bought a parts per million meter. Here we have tap water. I'm just going to dunk the meter in and record the results. So that's tap water. That's a Brita filtered water, which I got from a dog. And then I bought this morning a bottle of Evian. And then I think yesterday went to Morrison's and I bought this Aqua Pura. And then this bottle here represents the distilled water. So yeah, it's not going to be too scientific. It's just going to be dunk the meter in, record the data, and then maybe the price as well, if I remember what the prices were, and then go from there. Alrighty, so here we go. This is a, see that? This is a TDS free water meter. I think it was like £35–40 on Amazon. Ordered it a few days ago, turned up pretty quick, so let's give it a go. I'm actually going to really take this away with us to Australia, to see what their water's like, and Singapore and America over the next few years, just to get a gauge of what the water is like. So let's turn it on. Alright, so first I'm going to test the tap water. So this is Surrey, I think it's Surrey and Thames water. Just dunk it into kind of level. So going up, it says 202, 204. I think it's leveled out to 204. So I'll hold that. Give it a shake. So then we can see that it says 204. Okay, so wipe that one off. And now we're going to test the Brita water. See what this does. That says 195. Hold that. Give that a shake. Get 195 parts per million. Wipe that one off. Now we're on to the Evian, or Evian, however you want to say it. Dunk that. Well, 288. Yeah, hold that. That just went up one then. So let's have a look. That says, you can see that, 289. That's for the Evian from the shop, which is kind of crazy. Let's wipe that one, do the next one, give it a shake. Alright, this is Aqua Pura from Morrison's. It says on the bottle 100% pure British. It says on the bottle 100% pure British natural mineral water. So let's dunk this one and try this one. It's kind of nerdy, but it's really interesting for me. See how many contaminants are in, bicarbonates are in the water. So that's going up slow. Hold that. Shake that one. That's surprising. That says 106 parts per million. Like that. Shake that off. Alright, now we've got the distilled. So yeah, I normally get about 3 uses before I have to clean it. And this is the third batch of water from the distiller. So let's dunk this one, see what it says. I did test it the other day and it's like 0.01 I think. So what's that say? Do you know what that says? 000. Let me hold that. Shake that one. 000 contaminants. So 0.00 parts per million. That's crazy. Alright, and the crazy thing is, if I remember, this Aquapura is 45p from Morrison's. This Evian was, I think, £2 something, £2.20. I have to look at the results and just work out what's the best bet. So I will flash up the results and the data and the prices, and then it's up to you guys. It's just really a video about highlighting the differences in the water. And they range from tap water, filtered, crazy Evian, really cheap Morrison's, I think it's a own brand, British made water, and distilled. Bear in mind, obviously the distiller is, I think the distiller was about 300 and something pound, but you know, to make a litre of pure water is, I think they said it's about 7p or something, 7 or 8p per litre. So over time, the distiller at the back there is going to pay for itself, because if this is 220 and it's full of bicarbonates, that's not great. If you go for this one, it's probably pretty good actually, not a bad one to go for. It's 45p for a 1.5 litre bottle. Bear in mind it's all in plastic bottles, so the plastic can leak into the water itself. I don't think it's like a BPA bottle, I don't think. Doesn't say. Yeah, so it doesn't actually say anything about the bottle. It just says do not reuse. Do not reuse the bottle or cap. Store in a dry place away from light and strong odours and chemicals. Okay, so yeah, I'll flash up the results and the data one more time, and then it's up to you guys what you want to do. So this is the water being tested from the tap from Surrey, Thames Water Surrey, I believe. Control our water. As I said, I'll be going to Australia soon, and I will be checking their water out in different parts, and I'll probably do another video then. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.